Okay. I have been slowly picking away at the finish of this mill, and it has been bubbling and crumbling and falling off for a while, and I've been slowly picking away at it, like literally with a dental pick and my favorite tool. Let's see if I can find it. 1-inch scraper. Again, back to the 1-inch scraper. With some of the paint, like it's fresh, like it hasn't seen like a thrashing in people's hands and stuff and oil dripping. So this stuff is a little fresher. I think I might, maybe. Then I saw a guy who did a light ring around it. But this is a J 28307.